Hello, Sue here. Well, welcome to the first full video from the Gourmet Grandad and family. It's a simple 3-ingredient recipe this time. It's a conserve made with marrow, a good way of using up the abundance this time of the year. I hope you enjoy, and I'd really appreciate your feedback. Thank you. Well, here we go. For the ingredients, you're going to need 1 pound or 500 grams of marrow, 8 ounces or 225 grams of sugar, and a whole lemon. Okay, so first of all we need to peel, cut up and remove the seeds from our marrow. Now, marrows are very delicate flavour, so for the purpose of this recipe, the best way to cook it is to steam it. So pop your marrow into the steamer and place on the hob and bring your water to the boil and then a gentle simmer. While this is cooking, cut your lemon in half and juice the lemon and grate the zest and put that to one side. Now we need to then go and check whether the marrow is cooked. So here's the test. With a sharp knife, just poke that into the marrow, and if it's nice and soft, then that's ready. And we need to then drain the water from the pan and place the marrow back into the pan. And with a potato masher, mash the marrow until it's a soft pulp consistency, similar to this. Pour in the sugar, and then we add the zest of the lemon, and finally the lemon juice. Okay, now we put the mixture back onto the heat and we bring to the boil and cook for about 20 minutes until it reduces in quantity. Now what you need to do is put that to one side until it cools, and once it's cooled you can start to put the mixture into sterile jars, as you can see I'm doing here. Now then we need to top the jars with a wax seal, and this will just help to preserve the mixture for longer. And you can double up your quantities if your marrow's larger, just as I say, double what I put in the ingredients. Now I do hope you've enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and your comments are really welcome. Thank you.